The following is a public notice of the extension of a special market test. In cooperation with huge customer incentives from Ford Motor Company and General Motors, Sumner, Washington continues to be the nationally exclusive site for a special market test comparison between two of the most popular trucks in America, the Ford F-150 and Chevrolet Silverado 1500. You can test drive and compare side by side literally more than 100 brand new Ford F-150s or Chevy Silverados for performance and handling, trim packages, options, color, styling, price, and financing. With your qualifying trade, most of these new trucks are available for MSRP or even less. There's factory-supported financing for even lower payments. There's also extended term financing as low as 4.9% APR for up to 60 months or 5.99% APR for up to 72 months from Sound Credit Union. Warranty protection for life and oil changes for life are included on every single qualifying vehicle. The exclusive locations are Sunset Ford of Sumner just off Highway 410 in Sumner just down the hill from Bonnie Lake, and Sunset Chevrolet on Traffic Avenue in downtown Sumner. This message will be repeated.